Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity in Visual Studio Code. This integration brings powerful AI assistance directly into your coding environment, making it easier to get instant answers and support while you work on your projects. Let's walk through the setup process, step by step. First, open your Visual Studio Code app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and have access to your workspace, you'll be ready to install the Perplexity extension. Look over to the left sidebar of your screen where you'll see several icons stacked vertically. Among these, you need to click on the Extensions button. This icon typically looks like 4 squares arranged together, and it's your gateway to enhancing VS Code with additional features and tools. After clicking on Extensions, you'll notice a search bar appear in the upper left corner. This is where you'll find the specific extension we need. Go ahead and type Perplexity AI Assistant into that search bar. The search results will populate below, showing you various extensions related to your query. Look through the results carefully to find the official Perplexity AI Assistant extension. Once you've located it, click the Install button next to the extension. Depending on your security settings, you might see a prompt asking you to trust the publisher and proceed with the installation. If this message appears, simply click Trust Publisher and Install to continue. This step ensures that you're installing verified software from a trusted source. Now that the installation is complete, head back to the left sidebar. Under the Extensions section, you should now see Perplexity AI listed among your installed extensions. Click on it to open the extension panel. Before you can start using the AI features, there's an important configuration step you need to complete. In order to use AI Perplexity, you must have your API key ready and set it up within the extension. Navigate to the upper left toolbar and look for the gear icon, which represents settings. Click on this icon to access the configuration options. Within the settings menu, you'll need to locate the section specifically for API key. This is where you'll connect your Perplexity account to the VS Code extension. In the API key field, carefully type your personal API key. Make sure you enter it exactly as provided without any extra spaces or characters. Once you've typed it in, click the Save API Key button to store your credentials securely. This step is crucial as it authenticates your access to Perplexity's AI capabilities directly through VS Code. Once you're done setting up your API key, you're ready to start using Perplexity. Look at the bottom left of your screen where you'll see the Perplexity panel. There's a message field waiting for your input. Simply type your question or request into this field. When you're ready to send your query, you have two options. You can either press Enter on your keyboard for quick submission, or you can click the Send Message button. Either method will work perfectly, and there you have it. You've successfully integrated Perplexity AI into your Visual Studio Code environment, giving you instant access to AI assistance while you code. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.